Hello everybody, JT here, back with another video. This video I will show you the benefit of rotary table if you have a machine with 4 axis rotary table or 4 and 5. You can make this program more efficient when you versus the 3 axis machine. So let's say if you do on a 3 axis machine, let me double check 3 axis machine, right? Let's say you have to jump over here. Even, if you do this, if you do all the whole, it still jump like that because you don't want the two spot real here or real here and then go over here or go cross here and then it will hit that if. Now, just if you don't move your tool over it, right? So same thing, counter bar, you can select all of this, you do, right? So it basically your tool will be jumping all over the play, and of course you have to make sure the tool and jump over here to clear your center island here so it doesn't um, crash your break your tool, right? But let's say if you have, oh, let me show you where that one is. Okay, so of course when you have just a 3 axis machine, you don't have a rotate tab here, right? And you can see no, but if I change to 4 axis machine, and then you will be able to see that tab, rotate tab, right? Okay, so this is how you do it. Hold this one a little bit down so you can see. And you can see if I choose the position here, so it will run over it, right? But if I choose this one, redo it, we still go process. Oh, okay, I forgot to show you need to set up the machine, okay? Because of machine like this, so if you have a rotate table and you put your part, straight down like this, and then you have to like that, right? So you have to set up your machine or your rotary table correctly in order for this to work. And now you can see it go around it, right? So, and the point I make here is the tool doesn't jump over here and go over here, but it rotate this axis, right? Whatever your rotary table is, same thing. If select all of it so you can see two paths. Okay, I think this one every time it would go above it because it will be clear. This one let me move down here so when I show you this you will understand more. But as you can see, let's select it all. Okay, and then maybe render it so you can see the reason why. Slow it down and see. Two doesn't jump over, but just the rotation of this axis. Same thing with counter bar. There you go. Right. So summarize if you want precision, right? Three-axis machine, you can use this to jump over, or you can use it will rotate, therefore your tool doesn't jump up and down. Okay. Okay, the next one I want to show you if you want to do this radius right here, it will be a four axis toolpath or four and fifth if your machine is capable of if your machine have four and fifth axis, right? But let's say you just have a rotary table for axis, and how you can do this radius right here, right? Okay, let's say in this case you have to set up the model and your machine correctly. Okay, we double click this, turn this one to part, turn this one to stop display. Okay, okay. So first you have to uh, if you if you have a rotary table and it stand up like this, you can't really do that radius. But if you have four and fifth or a four axis rotary table, but you mount this way, right? And then you can do this radius right here. Okay. First, you need to set up the, 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 the axis correctly, right? So it's gonna stay on your machine like this, right? Okay, therefore your part is gonna be like this, your rotary table gonna be back here. And in that case, you can use this one. I'll show you the two paths, but it's very basic. It's basically more between two surfaces. But of course, the two paths, it will be five axis two paths in here, and this tab right here. Okay, but you don't need the five axis for this to work. You only need four. You can see, go in here, surface, mark between two surface first, this one, right? Let me show you clearly. First, you pick that surface. Second, you pick this surface. And of course, this one will be that right there, right? Then you do spiral because you don't want it to go back and forth. So usually I like the spiral, so just rotate around it, step over whatever you want it to be. And here is the important thing. I think one of my video has this, but let me show you. So it will be on the y-axis, and of course no fifth axis, so it will be 0. Okay, let's see if we do it. There you go, and then let's render it so you can see, and it should be run correctly, right? So the part it just rotate, and then the tool just move, basically move from first surface, to second surface, just like that. Okay. But again, you need to set up the machine correctly, right? The way it's set up in your machine. And this one right here is important too. So it know which one to rotate. Let's say if I want to do X, you will see it. Redo it. Okay. You already see something wrong there, but let's render it so you can see the tool will be, like that, which not good, right? Let's say if you pick the Z, again, it won't work either. Okay, render, see that? Not gonna work. So you have to pick the right axis that it will rotate around. In this case, it will be Y. And all right, so I think that's it. If you have a four-axis rotary table on your three-axis machine, you can do, you can make your program a little bit more efficient, and you can do, this kind of stuff, easier. Hope you guys learned something. Hope you guys pick up something from this video. So I will see you next time. All right. Goodbye now.